Forget Paris, Rome, and Barcelona. 2025 is all about Europe's hidden gems. I'm revealing 7 cities that are cheaper, less crowded, and way more exciting than the usual tourist spots. Watch till the end to discover my top pick and why it's the ultimate travel hack for your next adventure. First up, Tbilisi, a city that might just redefine your travel expectations. It's a place where ancient history collides, quite spectacularly, with a vibrant hipster cool. The juxtaposition is truly captivating. One moment you're exploring the ramparts of a 4th century fortress, imagining centuries of history unfold before you. The next, you're wandering through a creatively converted Soviet factory, a testament to the city's reinvention. It's been turned into a thriving creative hub buzzing with energy and innovation. And the food? Unbeatable. A culinary adventure awaits around every corner. Khachapuri, those glorious, cheesy bread boats, are an absolute must-try. Each bite is an explosion of flavor. And don't even think about missing the ancient sulfur baths. They offer a unique and surprisingly affordable experience, a true taste of local culture. But perhaps the best part of Tbilisi? The people. The hospitality here isn't just good, it's legendary. Prepare to be welcomed with open arms. Tbilisi is gritty, it's soulful, and it's undeniably on the verge of exploding onto the global stage. Here, you can truly live large, indulging in experiences that feel incredibly luxurious. All for a fraction of what you'd expect to pay in Western Europe. It's an absolute steal. So get here and experience the magic before everyone else catches on. You won't regret it. Next, Ljubljana, Slovenia, Europe's greenest capital where dragons guard the bridges. The car-free city center is a breath of fresh air perfect for riverside cafe hopping. Hike up to the castle for epic views, then explore Metalkova Mesto's wild art scene. Ljubljana proves you don't need famous monuments to be unforgettable. It's clean, safe, and buzzing with creativity. The vibe is pure relaxation. This is the city of the future today. Porto, Portugal, colorful streets, legendary port wine and sunsets you'll never forget. Skip Lisbon. Porto's gritty charm and riverside views are next-level. Tour the port cellars in Vila Nova de Gaia and taste the world's best wine. Try the Francesinha sandwich, messy, meaty, and unforgettable. Porto's food scene is wild, and the city feels real, not overrun by tourists. Sunsets, here are legendary. Go now before the secret's out. Vilnius, Lithuania, a city where history whispers from every cobblestone and innovation dances in the streets. It's quirky, with unexpected art installations popping up around every corner. It's artsy, a canvas where vibrant murals tell stories of the city's past and present. And it's full of surprises, with hidden courtyards and unexpected delights waiting to be discovered. Beyond the Baroque beauty of its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll find swings at bus stops, a playful touch that reflects the city's unique spirit. And there's a whole neighborhood, Uzupis, a self-declared republic that boldly declared itself an independent republic, complete with its own president and cabinet. Uzupis even has its own constitution etched in plaques on a wall for all to see, and an army, though their battles are more likely fought with laughter than weapons. And a rule: a dog has the right to be a dog, a testament to their free-spirited nature. The creative energy is everywhere you look, fueling the city's vibrant atmosphere, from stunning murals that adorn buildings to bustling food halls offering culinary delights. Vilnius is surprisingly affordable, making it an accessible destination for all, and incredibly welcoming, with locals eager to share their city's secrets, making it perfect for curious travelers seeking authentic experiences. It's a city that loves to surprise you at every turn, revealing hidden gems around every corner. This underdog capital, often overlooked, is about to have its day in the sun, capturing the hearts of those who venture within its enchanting embrace. Think Bruges is a fairy tale? Meet Ghent, Belgium, castles, canals, and zero crowds. The Gravenstein Castle dominates the city, and medieval streets are made for wandering. Take a canal boat tour for hidden gems and hilarious stories. When night falls, Ghent transforms. Thanks to its huge student population, the nightlife is electric. From historic pubs to secret cocktail bars, there's something for everyone. Ghent balances old-world charm with youthful energy. It's Belgium's coolest secret. Lviv, Ukraine, a city that stands as a beacon of resilience and cultural richness. It's a place where history whispers from every corner and where the spirit of its people shines brightly, even in the face of adversity. Cobblestone magic underfoot tells tales of centuries past. Coffee culture, a vibrant part of daily life, offers warmth and connection, and an unbreakable spirit that binds the community together, showcasing their strength and unity. The UNESCO-listed Old Town, a treasure trove of architectural wonders, feels like a time capsule, transporting you to another era. Coffee and chocolate, two of Lviv's most beloved treats, are an art form here, each cup and confection crafted with passion and precision. Don't miss the underground coffee mine, a truly unique experience. Themed cafes, each with its own distinct personality, and wild restaurants offer unforgettable culinary adventures. Make every meal an adventure, exploring the diverse flavors of Lviv. Despite challenges, the city's spirit remains undeterred. Lviv's creative energy is unstoppable, expressed through vibrant street art and cultural initiatives. Visiting now is a show of support, helping to sustain the local economy and uplift the community, and a chance to witness resilience firsthand, an inspiring testament to the human spirit. The city's beauty, a captivating blend of history and charm and strength, will move you, leaving a lasting impression on your heart. Lviv is more than a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. It's hope in action, a place where the future is being built with courage and determination. Last stop, Brno, Czech Republic's coolest secret. Skip Prague, Brno's student energy, quirky legends, and underground bars are unmatched. Explore the old town hall's crocodile, the bizarre clock, and the city's labyrinth of tunnels. The Tenzi nuclear shelter is now a retro hotel and museum, totally surreal. The cafe and bar scene rivals any European capital. Brno is effortlessly cool and totally itself, the perfect finale to our tour. 7 cities, 7 epic adventures. Now it's your turn. Which one's on your 2025 bucket list? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.